that you're feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight come out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like you was running out. Live a life, we gotta scream it out. Breathe it in and feel the rush again. You're not lost, no matter where you've been.
This is the moment of truth. This is my HomeRite Finish Max. This is not a sponsored post. They have never given me any money. I have given them all the money. But I have found that it's worth it because sprayers are finicky, and if you don't clean them perfectly, they don't work again. And here's the problem. I do not follow the rules of cleanup. But somehow, this baby kept working. So this is the ultimate test. Is she gonna spray? If she doesn't spray, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to Lowe's and I'm gonna get another one today because these things last. And it's not her fault if she doesn't work, but let's see if she does. All I did was put some water in here just to see if that works before I do the paint. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is amazing, okay? HomeRite for the win. They should sponsor me because I treat their products like absolute shite, but they still work. I should be their ADHD HomeRite spokesperson. Like, don't want to clean it, don't want to follow any directions, and want it to still work. Let's see if the paint goes through. I had my doubts for a second and was about to grab my keys to run to Lowe's, but I remembered to turn the nozzle up and to turn the pee-pee the back way. I know, it's the only way I can think about it because I had a little baby boy. So it doesn't face front, it has to go backwards. If you know, you know. Here's the only way I will ever paint chairs again, all right? Take your Miss Lillian's paint because it has a built-in top coat. Add about this much water. That's all I can say, about a second. Make sure the consistency is kind of like that. Put your thing in like that, twist it like that. Are you with me? Make sure it comes out like that. Then you're ready to go. Outside, sunny days, great. Breezy, not so good if your car's nearby. Dab it. Dabbity drips. Now, sand it. Lightly, not so hard. Just make sure the paint has stuck and you're ready for the next layer. Wipe that shit down. Wipe it down after you get all that dust going. And then you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna spray it again. We're gonna catch all those spots that we missed before. And then, before you know it, within like a couple of hours, this is what you got, baby. 5 chairs, done. There was no crying. Okay, just maybe a little bit of crying, but really not so much crying. And we are ready to go. We are ready to super shift the shit out of these chairs. Stay tuned.